Hello, grade 2. How are you today? Grade 2, lesson. Okay, grade 2. Do you hear this music? Do you hear this sound? Yes. In which part we can hear? We can hear with what? Excellent, grade 2. We can hear with our ears. So, our lesson today is talking about sound. Sound is a type of energy that affects our ears. And sound results from vibration of object. Vibration. Sound travels through air to our ears. So sound travels through air to our ears. Summary. Okay, in this lesson, we're talking about the sound, and we tell sound is a type of energy that affects our ears. Sound results from vibration of object. Sound travels through air to our ears. Okay, this is the activity about sound.
Hello, grade 2. Let's make an experiment to prove sound result from vibration. Okay, so look here. Do you hear the sound? Yes. So sound result from vibration of an object. Thank you, grade 2.
Okay, try to make it at home, grade 2. Thank you. Bye.